Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the lecture. So from here onwards, we'll try to carry out the steel estimation, which we call it as a bar bending schedule, which is called as BBS, which is called as, I'll write it here. If you don't know, it's called as bar bending schedule. Okay, or schedule, one and the same. It's called as BBS. Okay, fine. So again, for that, we have the format. We need to understand the format. Like for quantity estimation, we have done the format, right? In the same way, I'll teach you how Excel sheet has to be done and we'll follow the same thing. Yeah. So how do you prepare such things? You know already, but still, let us start it from the scratch. Okay, done. So what I can do, I'll just go here. I'll write project. Okay, it will take some time because some may understand, some may not understand. So I'll do everything in front of you. Project, client. Okay, like you did previously, the same thing. And then you also prepare the Excel sheet. Anyhow, you need to prepare. I won't be sharing any of the Excel sheet. Consultant. Okay, and then last is the type of structure. So type of structure or type of element is good. Type of element you do instead of structure, right? Element. Okay, so structure doesn't make any sense, right? Type of elements. So elements can be a footing, column, all those things. Okay, fine. So that means it's done. So here also I'll make it as type of element. Like if it is footing, whatever it may be, element. Yeah, fine. After that, I'll copy the same thing. You have to write. I'll tell you what has to be written. It will be a time consuming for me. So, okay. So what I've done, I've written the project is G plus 2 story residential project. Client was Nayak Bungalow at Bangalore. Consultant is Kamath Construction. Type of element is footing. Okay. I'll take out the color for time being. Later we can give the color and all. Okay. And also the border not required. No borders. Yeah. Done up to here. After that, I want to write this drawing number BBS revision. Okay. There in estimation also you could have done the same thing, drawing number, and you could have written uh, revision also, but not required. Here we'll do that. You can take anything from here. I'll do somewhere here. I'll write BBS revision. Okay. Revision in the sense sometimes your drawing keeps on changing. In that case, your BBS also will change, isn't it? So BBS revision I'll write, and over that I can write drawing number. Okay. So drawing number, like here in the AutoCAD, I've shown you one drawing, but when you release the drawing, each of this will be a separate drawing. Let us say your architectural plan is drawing number 1. This will be a drawing number 2. That is your footing foundation layout. Then after that, your column will be drawing number 3. Okay. So that is why in AutoCAD you see separately we have done all these things. Then this will be your drawing number 4, maybe the staircase detailing part. Then ground floor layout will be drawing number 5 and so on. Okay. And that is the reason I've written it here. Drawing number and BBS revision. After that, what we have? Yeah, grade of concrete, grade of steel, lap length, development length is very important for us in BBS. So I'll write it somewhere here. Okay, I'll write grade of concrete. Okay. Then I require grade of steel. Okay. Grade of. So I hope the basic BBS part you people are knowing, because if you've taken a lot of my courses like construction methodology and all, there I've explained you all these things. And then comes the development length. Okay. Development length. I'll explain you all these things in the later part whenever we need to understand it. Okay. Yeah. But anyhow, in the basic part, I've explained everything. So grade of concrete, I think in most of the cases we have taken M20 only. I'll go with M20. So grade of steel, usually in the RCC, minimum we go with FE 500. So I'm considering FE 500 here. Okay. Lap length and development length, we can take it from the structural drawing later. The last part is the concrete cover, rebar length, total steel quantity in footing. Okay, what is that? Concrete cover. I can write it somewhere here, right? Concrete cover, then concrete spelling. Then rebar length, and then total. Yeah, total steel. Or you can write rebar also. Total rebar in footing. Okay. So total rebar in footing. or rebar quantity in footing, one and the same. You can write your total rebar quantity. Okay, done. Everything we have done. Now we need to make it beautiful. So how do you make it beautiful? Just select everything. First, we'll give them a good font. So I usually go with this. You can take anything also. Anything else. Okay, this also looks good. This also looks good. This also looks good. Okay, I'll go with this. Fine. So one thing we have decorated. Second thing, what decoration we can do is I'll select everything. I'll go with a bold one. We can make it bold. Okay, that's the second. Then you come here and give all borders. What you have to do? Select everything, go for all borders. So everywhere the border will come. Now, wherever it's not required, we'll merge it. For example, here I haven't written anything, no? So what I can do, I'll just take down this part. Okay, this part is anything not anyhow not required. I'll select everything in the bottom. I'll say merge at center. So it becomes a plane now. So this much part is of no use to us. This much part, again merge at center. Okay. Then again, this anyhow you are going to write revision number and this you will be writing. So we'll make it as one single unit. Okay. Merge at center. So one mistake what we did is, okay, not a mistake. It's okay. Again, you just drag it so that it looks good. Yeah. So concrete cover M20. Okay. Fine. If you want, you can, merge this and say merge at center so that it will come in one single line. Even for the lap length and development length, you select it, merge at center. Okay. Then again, this part is not required. Just merge at center. Okay. I think most of the things we have made it look good now. So development length, this quantity is not required. Make it merge it. Okay. Done. So once these things are done, everything looks good. Not an issue. See, grade of concrete looks good. Grade of steel, lap length will be writing here, development length. This also you merge it. Yeah. One thing I think this we made a mistake here. No. See, total rebar quantity. What I can do is I'll not merge it. See, once you have merged it, if you want to get it back, just select on that and go back to this. Okay, go back to this. Okay. I think merge center. Yeah. Okay, I think then how do you get it back? I think I need to put this thing again, and then I think wait, I'll just take it out. I'll say Control X, so it will cut everything not required. Let me write it here, Control V, and this part is only up to here. Okay, I'll say all border. Okay, and let me write it here, total rebar quantity in footing. Control C, and I'll write it here, Control V. Okay, then I can just say merge at center. Yeah, now it looks good. And now see, now it's not looking good. It's not visible. We know what is this thing. Okay, this also you do all border. Not coming. It should come all border. So if it's not coming, you have to unmerge it. Go to this option. Yeah. Now you select this much part. Select this also. Now you merge at center. And then there's one option called as wrap text. Click on that. Done. Okay. Now it looks good, no? Yeah. So you do one more thing also. You just select this part, put them in a single line. Let it come in one single line. Yeah. Now this is okay. This will be a concrete cover part. This will be a rebar length, and this you break it and merge it. If this much is not enough, what you can do, no? You can take this part also. Take this, and take this part. Fine. Okay. This will be one. This will be another. Then this guys make it another. Okay. Done. It looks good now. So just minimize your screen. Now everything looks fine. So now what you can do, you just have to, yeah. If you want, you come here, give a thick box in this way so that it looks good. That's it. Okay. Yeah. This emerged center. This also emerged center. Done. Yeah. Here one thing you require. Here one proper listing is required. This you do. And then this part you say all borders. Yeah. Now it looks good. Okay. Everything is done. This is not required. Just delete this part. And how to delete this? You have to go back and say no borders. No border, the border part will go. Okay, done. I think everything looks good. Now, if you want, give a color to this. That's it. So color, I'll go with a yellow color, or even you can go with a green color. Whatever color you want, you go with that. Yellow looks good, so you can go with a yellow color. Okay, done. So this part, yeah, merge at center. Fine. I'll just minimize a bit so that everything comes in one line. Okay. So once this is done, next what you're supposed to do, next is I need to do this one. That is serial number, shape of bar, bar description and all. So we'll write it. Since you have to write it, I'll also write it. Okay. Write serial number. So SL number, SL. Okay. Serial number. Don't give the color, say no fill. Later we can fill that. Okay. After serial number, it is shape of bar. So write shape of bar. Okay. After that, we have bar description. So after that, yeah, we'll write bar description here only. Bar description. Okay. After that, all these things are there. I'll copy it. Okay. I'll copy it. Or anyhow, I'll write number of member, because I don't know what all challenges you may face there. Next is dia of bar. I'll write all these things, no? So again, I'll write dia of bar. So in that case, what will happen? It will come out. Then what you're supposed to do, go here, wrap text. That's it. Else what you can do, you just have to drag it and you have to merge it. This thing. Merge at center. Now bring it to the second portion and make it dark. That's it. Okay. Dia of bar. Okay. So it is in mm. So write it in mm and close the bracket. Okay, again, then go for wrap text. It will come good. It will look in this way. Yeah, in the same way, spacing, again, write So again, you merge it in this way. First you, okay, so write spacing here. This also, this, everything. So merge at center. Okay, now it looks good. Now you write all those things. Spacing, okay. So spacing, that will be in no again. Close the bracket. Done. So it doesn't look good, no? Go for the wrap text. And then you make it bold. So, and then you bring it at the center. So what you can do, you can apply this everywhere and do it. Like what I'm trying to tell is select this, say come to this point, say wrap text, say bold. Now you don't have to face any problem. Directly it will take care of it. Next is number of bars. Number of bars. Okay, see everything it has taken care of. After that, cutting length. Cutting length. So cutting length it should be in which one? First it will be in later we'll convert that to meter. So cutting length in Next is again, you copy this, Control C and you Control V it, but here you make it as meter. That's it, and close the bracket. Done. So then cutting length. Next is total cutting length, which will come in meter. Again, we have these options. Select them. Okay. So merge at center. Go to this point, wrap text, and say total cutting length. Who in meter? Not okay. Meter. Close the bracket. Enter. So again, you make it bold. Done. So meter is not shown. It should, okay. Wrap text. Okay. No problem. Now it should come. Okay. Yeah. See, otherwise you can increase the size also. No, doesn't matter. Okay. It's not that it should come. See, in this way it will look good. Depends on you how you want to do it. Okay. Fine. Now the last part is very important. This is about the steel part. For 8 what is the weight? All these things you know. How do you find that? I'll tell you later. How did this value 0.395 and all will come? But till that, you just concentrate on the other part. So you write here 8 bar. Okay. Then you write 10 bar. We have 12 bar. We have 16. We have 20. We have 25. We have 30, 32. Because in our building, 25 is the maximum bar what we have. So we'll go up to 32. Not an issue. Beneath that, you have to write the weight. So weight, uh, just copy from here. I'll tell you how it has come later. Okay. 0.395. 0.395. 395. And after that, it is 0.617. 0.617. After that, It is 0.888, 0.888. After that, it is 1.58. See, one thing you remember, according to IS code book, okay, according to IS code book, from 8 to 12, here 8 to 12, after the decimal point, only three digits you have to take: 395, 617, 0.888. From 16 diameter onwards, after the decimal point, you have to take only two. It's written in the code book, that is in BBS code book. So that is why I'm following that. Okay. Yeah. 2.47, 3.85. And the last one is how much? 6.31. 6.31. Got it, no? So this I'll combine in this way. In this way, I'll select everything. What you're supposed to select in this way, merge at center and write total weight. So it is total weight of your bar. Okay. So what is that? What did I write there? Yeah, total weight. So make it in capital, total weight. And now you should say it is in kg. Okay, kg. And close the bracket. Done. Everything we have done now. The only thing is, again, you have to decorate. That's it. Got it? So now we'll decorate it. So how the decoration should happen? This you can make in two layers. Okay. Up to here we had not done, no? You can make it in two layers, because up to here the two layers happened. So you just drag it up to this point. Okay. Got it, no? This should be in this way and say merge at center. Not coming? No problem. So take three, say merge at center. Take three, say merge at center. Take three, say merge at center. Okay. Done. Now you select them. Then you give a good okay, selected, come here. Okay, we'll keep this one only. Okay, and then you select everything is bold, and then you bring them at the center. You, if you want to, yeah, align them at the center, and then go for all borders. Done. Now if you want, just adjust them. That's it. Number of members. Okay, as far as possible, try to bring it in one single. Like when I try to see my Excel sheet, it should, everything should fall in one place. Okay, I think everything is good. So now if you want to differentiate something like this weight and all, just give a different color to that, so that yeah, now it looks good. So it's understood that this is a different weight. Other than that, most of the part looks good. This, if you want, you can color it with a different color. This looks good. And this entire thing, this also you make blue only. Okay, then these are the part under that. Then if you want, you can give one this thing, select them, say one thick outside box, so it will look little good. Okay, that's it, it's enough. So once this is done, next we have to go with the shape of the bar description part and all these things. So in the next lecture, I'll teach you how the bar bending schedule should be done. You know already, but I'll take one simple example, I explain it. And for the entire building, I'll teach you how it has to be done. Which is that building? This is a building. Okay, I'll go with this building now. For interior part, I had taken the other building so that it was easy for me. Otherwise, it was a G+2 building. My lectures would have gone for even more. It would have been more time consuming. But since we did our estimation for the this thing, which is that superstructure for this, so I have everything here: F1, F2, F3 footing. For this, I'll show you how this BBS has to be done. Okay. So in the next lecture, try to prepare this so that it looks good. In the next lecture, we'll try to take care of all those things and we'll prepare Excel sheets. We'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.